Hello everyone, the topic of the day is Kati Basti. Kati means lower back and Basti means to hold or compartment which hold. So that is the meaning of Kati Basti. Issa therapy is a kind of Sthanik Basti in Panchkaram and comes under Bahya Swedan, we can say. It's a kind of sneaked Swedan because it is sneaked because we are using medicated oil, and it's Swedan because oil is warm. So Kati Basti is a sneaked Swedan. That is the first point to remember. Kati Basti is a Sthanik Basti. That is another point. Why it is Sthanik Basti? Because this is the kind of therapy, this is the kind of treatment in which we are focusing on local area. We are focusing on lower back area. The problem related to lower back is covered with this particular therapy, or sometimes with the combination of other therapies also with Kati Basti. So that is the introduction of Kati Basti. You can see in this picture here a ring is created with आटा. उड़द का आटा we can take, wheat का आटा we can take. उसका डो बना के we have to make a ring that need to fixed in the lower back area or the area where the actually pain is, and we have to pour a medicated oil carefully. It should be little warmer than the body temperature. So why it should be more warmer? So there will be great absorption of the active ingredients which is present in the oil. Researchers says that acute low back pain is fifth most common reason for all the visits to physicians. People between 30 to 50 years of age are more likely to get these symptoms like lower back pain or radiating pain or stiffness like that. And about 1 in every 50 people is experience a herniated disc in their life. And nowadays I have observed there are the people before 30 also getting the severe backache, and the Kati Basti is the very good therapy for this problem. As we are discussing about the Kati Basti therapy, so we do this therapy in three phases. The first is Purv Karma, Pradhan Karma and Paschat Karma. And yes, we are going to discuss one by one. So Purv Karma is preparation. Preparation of the patient, preparation of the room, and all the preparation we have to do this therapy. So that comes under the first phase, that is a Purv Karma of the therapy. In Purv Karma, we need to prepare the patient, and for preparation of the patient we need to do all the examination, necessary examination, because then only we can select the right oil for the basti, and we can decide the how much time it will take, indication and contraindication, whether the patient's condition is indicated or eligible for the Kati Basti or not, that we have to decide. So everything should be documented and examination should be done which is required for the underlying condition. So that is Pur Karma. Another point in Pur Karma is collection of the material. What all things we need to do this therapy. So that is the Sambhar Sangraha. Yes, we need a Thailam, a medicated oil for this therapy. So that should be selected according to condition of the patient. Next is how much, कितना oil हमें चाहिए. We need minimum 250 ml, right? Because the warmness and the volume works together. The same oil can be used for the local massage or abhyanga, which is the post therapy, which is the paschat karam after the Kati Basti. We need wheat flour or a black gram flour. We need water. We need stove. We need some vessels and spoons. These are the basic things we need to create the Kati Basti. So there are the some pictures you can see. Here in this vessel, the flour has been taken and the dough is created, and like this we have to make a ring. The ring should be wide enough. Minimum 10 centimeter diameter should be there of the ring. It should not be very small. You won't get the desired results. And the height of the ring should be equal to, or I can say 5 centimeter or equal to 3 centimeter or equal to index finger. So you can measure the height of the ring as you can see in this picture. Okay. Yeah. So this is all Purv Karma. So I'm revising it. Purv Karma means examination of the patient, selection of the right oil, and collection of all the material, and making the ring. So these all things comes under the Purv Karma, the first step, the preparatory steps for that we call it. Okay, so next is Pradhan Karma. Pradhan Karma is the main process, main therapy process where we have to conduct it. Now we have a everything ready. We have to tell patient to lie down on the prone position in a comfortable way. You have to tell to patient because it will take 30 to 45 minutes. So patient should be comfortably lie down. The extra body part should be covered, and the where we are going to do this particular treatment, that particular area should be exposed. Okay, and the ring which we have prepared, it should be fixed very carefully. So in this picture, you can see the fixing of the ring here with the finger. Slowly it can be fixed, height should be maintained, and the oil should be warm. We should not heat oil directly on the stove. There is a method, water bath method. With that method only, medicated oil should be heated. So in Pradhan Karma, the fixing the ring and pouring the medicated oil, and third point is maintaining the temperature. Now how to maintain the temperature? Because once you have poured the oil into the ring, after the some time it will get colder, okay, the temperature will get down. So there should be a little oil or maybe the 50 ml in the another vessel. It should be warm and we need to recycle it to maintain the temperature. So yeah, that's what I already discussed. Recycling oil should be done very carefully. There should not be any spillage. Okay. So, and you need to do this thing, this recycling and maintaining the temperature for minimum 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. Okay. You have to maintain the temperature. So that is the main thing. Important thing here, you should not leave patient alone inside the room and go out for another work. You have to be there all the time. Sometime it happens and people do it, I have seen it. So it should not be done. You should be there because patient don't know what is the procedures and what are the things, what are the steps, which is really important. Okay, so that's what is Pradhan Karma. That's what is the main treatment, and you need to do it for the 45 minutes. Now 45 minutes is over. Now what is the next step? The next step is removing the oil from the compartment. So slowly with the spoon you have to take oil out and keep in another vessel and pour it into another bottle. So that is the thing. Same oil you can use for the next 4 days. Okay, and after 4 days you need to replace the oil. That's what our text is. So this is the picture. You can see her. Yeah, the oil is taken out with the spoon. Then her ring is taken out. Ring is unfixed. Then local massage is done. Extra oil can be wiped up with tissues. Here tissue paper is used. You can see the area. Now what to do? Oil is taken out. Ring is taken out. Now you have to do local abhyangam there in the lower back, in both the lower limbs. Even both the sides you can do. You can cover the dorsal and ventral area of both the lower limbs till to the foot. So so that is how it will give it will give more desired effect to the patient in lower back area. The course should be done 7 to 14 days, depend on conditions of and chronicity of the disease, and the time is 30 to 45 minutes. This is very important to remember to all the students. The time is 30 to 45 minutes and 7 to 14 days. There are the precautions. Spillage should be avoided because when you pour the oil, when you take it out, there are the chances of the spillage. Spillage happen when you are untrained. When you get once skilled and trained to do this, it won't happen. Okay, and temperature should be maintained, and always keep asking patient, is it tolerable or not? You need to understand patient's reactions, patient's observations, patient's feeling, and for the whole procedure. Okay, patient should not be leave alone. Now we understood the whole therapy. We understood Purv Karam, we understood Pradhan Karam, then Paschat Karam. This is the whole therapy. Now what are the conditions where you can give this therapy, where you can advise this therapy or you can take this therapy? Low back pain, lumbar spondylosis, sciatica, sacroiliac joint pain, and intervertebral disc prolapse. These are some conditions where Kativasti is effective and really gives good results and good comfort to the patient from many symptoms and from the discomfort also, right? But in what condition, which oil is there, and with which therapy it should be combined, that is very important to understand for a students or for the Vaidya who is going to conduct it. For example, there are some combinations of the oil which is from the experience. I would like to mention it here. They are Kottam Chukadi Telam and Dhanvantaram Telam. Uh, in lumbar spondylosis. In fracture and dislocation, Mahamashadi Thelam and Murivenam Thelam can be used. In mechanical low back pain, Murivenam and Nirgundi Thelam can be used. In radiculopathy, for example, there is a sciatica, Sahasradi Thelam is used. Sahasradi, this Sahasradi, let's understand, Saha means together, Charadi means moving together. So this oil has its beauty, the beauty of the oil is there in name also, because in sciatica, when there is a nerve compression, patient cannot move, both the legs cannot move together, then this oil gives very good results. And if there is a chronic degenerative disease of lower back, then Mahamashadi and Panchguna Telam can be used. There is one more concept which should be considered, that if you feel there is a involvement of the kapha or ama is there, or if it is aggravating through the kapha's causative factors, you have to select oil which is Ushna in nature. But if there is totally involvement of vata or more it is toward the degenerative conditions, you have to select oil which is nourishing in nature. It should be Ushna and Brahmana in nature. That's why Ushna and Brahmana mitigates vata. So these are the benefits usually people get after Kativastis. There is a pain relief and stiffness release. It even relieves the swelling and inflammation and brings lightness and gives sense of health to the lower portion of the body. It strengthens the lower back, soothes the nerve supplying of the lower back and legs, enhances blood supply to the lower back area. And there are the conditions, there are the situations when this Kativasti is combined with the another therapies of Panchkaram, it really gives very quick and very good results. Like it could be a combined with the Mantravasti, it can be a combined with Sthanika Bhingam and Nadi Swedan, it can be a combined with the Patrapind Swedan. And if there is a more stiffness, and if you are looking to give anulomana effect to the patient, or if you are looking for, if you got to know that there is a constipation to the patient for the long time, because that is also one cause of creating the lower back pain, then you have to choose snigdha nitya virechana. You have to choose some anulomana effect along with the Kativasti, then you can give more benefit to the patient. So you can choose a Gandharv Hastadi Kashayam 30 ml. You can choose the Gandharv Hastadi Eran Telam 20 ml. You can choose the Nimbamritadi Eran Telam 20 ml with the milk before going to bed, or maybe morning 6 o'clock you can get this. So so that is the information for Kativati. So I'm going to complete this topic here. If you have any doubts, if you have any queries, please write it down. I will try my best to give you answers and guide you best. Thank you so much. Thank you for today. I really appreciate your attention. Bye bye.